Auto Trends, welcome to Start. Today we're taking you into the electrifying world of one of the most outrageous, most technologically advanced, and most brutally fast machines Ferrari has ever built, the Ferrari SF90. This isn't just another supercar. This is Ferrari's declaration that the future of performance is a fusion of explosive combustion power, razor-sharp aerodynamics, and instant electric torque. The SF90 stands at the crossroads of heritage and innovation, and today we're diving deep into what makes it an absolute monster on the road and the track. Right from the moment you lay eyes on the SF90, you know you're dealing with something extraordinary. Its design language feels like Ferrari took a LaFerrari, blended it with Formula One cues, and then injected a dose of futuristic aggression. The front end is low, wide, and aerodynamic to the core. The signature LED headlights sit like sharp blades, giving it a predatory stance. Scoops, vents, and air channels aren't just for show, everything on this car has a purpose. Ferrari engineers have tuned airflow so precisely that even the smallest details contribute to downforce, stability, and cooling. But the real magic of the SF90 lies underneath the sculpted skin. Ferrari made headlines by giving the SF90 a plug-in hybrid powertrain, the first in the company's history, and they absolutely nailed it. At the heart of the beast is a 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine that pumps out an astonishing 769 horsepower on its own. But Ferrari didn't stop there. They added 3 electric motors, 2 at the front axle and 1 between the V8 and the gearbox. Together, these motors contribute 217 extra horsepower. The combined output, a mind-bending 986 horsepower. That's almost 1,000 horses waiting under your right foot, ready to launch the SF90 like a missile. With all that power and intelligent torque distribution, the SF90 obliterates acceleration times. 0 to 100 km per hour comes in around 2.5 seconds, and it doesn't stop pulling. 0 to 200 km per hour is gone in roughly 6.7 seconds. That's not just supercar territory, that's hypercar territory. Ferrari achieved this by merging the instant punch of electric motors with the explosive top end of a turbo V8. The result is acceleration so violent and so seamless that it feels like stepping through a time warp. Handling is another area where the SF90 flexes its engineering brilliance. Because 2 of its electric motors power the front wheels, the SF90 is an all-wheel drive Ferrari, another first. This setup gives the car insane levels of grip, especially during corner entry and exit. Ferrari's torque vectoring system actively controls power delivery to the front wheels, helping the car rotate with precision. Combine that with an advanced chassis, lightweight construction, and cutting-edge aerodynamics, and you get a car that feels glued to the road. It turns in instantly, stays balanced, and gives the driver a level of confidence and control that borders on supernatural. Inside the SF90, Ferrari goes full futuristic. The cockpit looks and feels like it belongs in a jet fighter. A massive 16-inch digital instrument cluster dominates the driver's view, offering crisp graphics and endless information. The steering wheel is loaded with touch-sensitive controls, driving modes, and the beloved Ferrari Manettino switch. Everything is driver-focused, minimalistic, and modern. There's no clutter, just pure performance energy surrounding you. The seats hug you tightly, the materials are premium, and the cabin perfectly balances comfort with motorsport intention. The SF90 also offers an electric-only driving mode called eDrive. Yes, a Ferrari that can cruise silently using only electric power for short distances. It might sound strange at first, but it's incredibly useful. Whether you're navigating your neighborhood early in the morning, avoiding attention, or saving fuel in city traffic, eDrive brings practicality to a car that otherwise feels like a track weapon. But the moment you switch to the performance modes, hybrid, performance, or qualify, the SF90 wakes up and unleashes its full hybrid fury. Qualify mode is where the SF90 becomes a full-blown hypercar. In this mode, all systems work together to deliver maximum horsepower and maximum responsiveness. The electric motors run at their most aggressive setting, the V8 stays ready to fire instantly, and the car becomes a weapon designed to set lap records. Ferrari's engineers didn't just want to build a fast hybrid, they wanted a hybrid that can dominate every performance metric, and the SF90 does exactly that. Of course, a car with this level of performance demands equally advanced braking and cooling systems. The SF90 uses a sophisticated brake-by-wire setup that blends electric regeneration with traditional hydraulic brakes. This ensures consistent stopping power even under extreme conditions. The cooling system has been engineered to manage the V8, the electric motors, and the battery pack simultaneously, a complex feat in a car that weighs less than you'd expect for a hybrid. Driving the SF90 is an experience that words can barely capture. It's raw but refined, savage but intelligent, futuristic yet unmistakably Ferrari. It represents a turning point, the moment Ferrari proved that hybrid technology doesn't have to be about saving fuel. It can be about pushing the limits of speed, power, and engineering excellence. Whether you admire it for its design, worship it for its performance, or appreciate it for its innovation, the Ferrari SF90 stands tall as one of the most important cars in modern supercar history. It's not just a machine, it's a statement that the future of Ferrari is brighter, faster, and more electrifying than ever.